Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step number 14 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 14 is to test, inspect, and adjust all control components. So this gets a little bit more in depth because this thing is controlled by more than just what's outside. There's controls inside your thermostat, there's controls inside your furnace, and there's also controls inside here. So when we go through all of this, we want to make sure that all the electrical connections are good. We want to make sure all the things are communicating properly in there. We just want to make sure that when you turn on your thermostat, this thing operates and all the controls that make it work are doing what they're supposed to. We don't want to have any unforeseen failures by not checking these controls because then it doesn't work right. If this thing fails, it's going to fail on the hottest day of the year when you need it the most. And if a control system gives out, it won't run anymore. We don't want to leave you without air conditioning and start melting in your home, so it's really important that you get your tune-up done and then follow it up with continued maintenance on an annual basis. See you on the next video.